Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pably. So today I am going to tell you how you can create Zoho accounts for new leads via Gravity Form submissions. Now suppose you are having a new leads through Gravity Forms, which is an online form building application. Now what will happen? Whenever somebody will have a form submission through Gravity Forms, the details of that person will be sent to Zoho CRM and a new account will be created on his name or for his name. Now, what kind of forms are we taking here? Suppose we are taking a person by his community or by his company or by his organization, and then we are dividing him into different categories. Say I am a guy and I am selling clothes, and then I am a distributor. So what I can do here, I can create fields such as a person of a particular company and he is selling clothes, so he is a seller and the category will be clothes. So this kind of forms can be created, and these kind of forms will be used to create automatic accounts on your Zoho CRM account. Now to create this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pably Connect, which will help us connect Gravity Forms and Zoho CRM together. Now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back at our screen. So what we have to do, we have to type in pably.com/connect, and as soon as we will do that, we will be redirected to this page when we will press enter. Here you have two options: either you can sign in or you can sign up. If you already have an account, you have to go for sign in. If you do not have an account, you have to go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month, so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. So I already have an account, so I will just go for sign in, and here I will just go for login. And as soon as I will do that, you can see here are some of my softwares. Now here I'm just going to go for access now for Pably Connect. Now what will happen, a new window will open in few seconds, few milliseconds, and here you can see I have all these automations already made here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create a new workflow to create a new automation. So here I'm going to click on create workflow, and now here I am going to give my workflow a name. Okay, so now we are going to give it the name Gravity Gravity Forms to Zoho CRM. Okay, so I'm giving it this name. You can name it whatever you want to. It's completely up to you. And then click on create. After clicking on create, you will see that we will have a new window. First one is trigger and second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So here in trigger, what we are having, first we are having a submission in our Gravity Forms. So we are going to select Gravity Forms, and in Gravity Forms we are going to have new response. Now here what we have to do, you can see we have a webhook URL here. Now this webhook URL is the URL which is responsible for connecting Gravity Forms to Pably Connect account. And how are you going to use this webhook URL? You have to just follow these steps to configure webhooks for a form. You will need to create a feed like this. You would have to go to your settings, then click on webhooks and then click on add new button. So let us just copy this, go to our Gravity Forms, and here go to forms, and I am using this Zoho CRM account. So go to Zoho CRM accounts, go to settings, and here go for webhooks. Now here you can see we have this. Let's just delete this previous webhook and let's just go for add new. So you can see this. Here I am going to name it Gravity to Zoho. Okay, I'm naming it this. Now request URL. So what we have to do, we have to paste the webhook URL here. As you can see here, it is written. This is the webhook URL, and you have to paste it in the request URL field. So I have pasted it in the request URL field. Now we have written everything. We are not going to do anything here. We are just going to click on save settings. And as soon as we will click on save settings, you can see the settings have been updated here. And now our form is now done And now what we can do, we can just use this form. So what we are going to do, we are just going to click on preview. And here I am going to fill in this form. Now when I will fill this form, what will happen? I will have a webhook response here in my Pabbly Connect account automatically. So I'll just go for account name. So I'm just going to make an account name by the name Arpit Sharma. And account type, so I am just going for the supplier because I am the supplier. In industry, I am the service provider. So I'll just click on submit, and as soon as I will click on submit, you will see that the form has been submitted here and here in Pabbly Connect account we are going to have a response in a few seconds, and you can see now this is our response here. And now we are going to see that this is the name, this is the type, and this is the type of service. So now what I'm going to do in our next application, I'm just going to select Zoho CRM, and here I'm just going to click on Zoho CRM, and my action event will be what I am doing here. I am creating a new account. So I will just go for create account, and now I will just click on connect, and here I will go for add new connection, connect with Zoho CRM. Now it is asking me for the domain name. So we will go here and see our domain is zoho.in. So we will just copy this, go back here and paste it here. So our domain is zoho.in. Click on save, and now it will ask you to connect your Zoho account to your Pabbly Connect account, and you have to give the authorization so that your automation can work fine. And don't worry, Pabbly Connect does not take any chances with your data, and your data with Pabbly Connect is absolutely safe. Now it is asking us for the information. So what we are going to do, we are going to just use a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let you take the data from this window here, and it will let you put the data here in this window. So what I will do, I will first map in the account name, which is Arpit Sharma, then account type. So account type was, what was my account type? I will just map in the account type from here, and account type is supplier. Then account number, I do not have. Rating, no, I do not want to put rating. Industry, so here also I am going to go for industry as service provider. And now what we are going to do, because we do not have these fields in our form, so we are not filling out these fields here. And now we are just going to go here and click on save and send test request. Now as soon as I will do that, you will see a new response will come here, and it is written success. That means our response has been success, and a new account has been created in our Zoho CRM. So now what we will do, we will go to our Zoho CRM and check for our account. So we will go to Zoho CRM, then we will click on accounts, and here you can see a new account is here, Arpit Sharma. Now let us try it for the another member or another type of account. So account name, this time I am just going to give the account name as Pabbly Connect. The account type is distributor, industry is service provider. Now click on submit, and as soon as we will click on submit, you will see that the response has been submitted, and we will go back here in Zoho CRM and we will refresh it. And as soon as we will refresh it, you will see a new account will be created here by the name Pabbly Connect, and this is the account I just created in my Gravity Forms. So friends, this is how you can connect your Gravity Forms to your Zoho CRM, and you can create an account in your Zoho CRM whenever a new form response has been submitted through your Gravity Forms. And this automation is very useful when you are working as a B2B industry, business to business, and this can be a very useful automation when somebody is filling out. You can know about their industry, you can know about their kind of work, either they are a service provider or they are supplier or whatever they are, and this workflow can do wonders for your business. Now, if you want to clone this workflow, you have to go to my description box and clone this workflow into your account. But for that, you need to have an account, and for that, you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So do not wait. Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com, If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.